Kareena Kapoor was a total charmer at the special screening of Rangoon that was also attended by Vishal Bhardwaj, Kunal Khemu, Sajid Nadiadwala and others.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ देखने के लिए. आई लव द ट्रेलर. आई लव विशाल भारद्वाज's films. I've loved the last time Saif and Vishal worked together in Omkara. And the chemistry looks amazing. The songs are superb. So I'm hoping to see a very nice one.
अभी तो हम लोगों ने देखी है and we are very proud of what we have done. So that's why we want to share with our friends and in the industry. And we are very very happy and proud about it.
1.5-2 साल से पिक्चर जी, इन्होंने तो 7 साल से जी है, मुझे 2 साल हुआ. एंड फाइनली द डेज कम. 4 दिन बैलेंस है अभी. पहले दिन अभी पहले आई थिंक सो करीना इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु इज वाचिंग.
Yeah, she is the first person from outside our.
This is the sort of movie which will be sitting very proudly on the body of work that Viacom has done. The kind of films that we have done have always stood for something different. I think you can already see that in the film. There is a sense of anticipation and there is a sense of a credible, high-quality film, and I think as a studio, we are very proud that we are here. I think in the next 4 or 5 days, there will be a lot more excitement rolling out. We have just put out some extended look as well in the media, which gives you a better feel of what the film is. And all the 3 characters, they have their own journeys, they have their own story. And it's a very epic background. You know, in India, we don't make films with that kind of a backdrop. You know, World War II, when we are ourselves going with 2 very major, philosophies. One was Gandhi's and the other was Bose's. So I think you can't get a better canvas to tell a story which is a very exotic story like this. So we are very excited as a studio to have such a film, and the journey is now 5 days from release. So I'm very excited. Yes.
I think I'm expecting it to be, one of the films of the year because it's directed by one of my favorite directors, Vishal Bhardwaj, जिन्होंने ओमकारा बनाई है. And I think that people are expecting that क्योंकि they are very excited क्योंकि Saif was so good in Omkara. Langra Tyagi is one of Saif's iconic roles. And I think Rusi, his character in this film is going to be very very striking क्योंकि पहली बार he's playing a Parsi film producer himself. So we're very excited and this film is very emotional for me क्योंकि साजिद नडियाडवाला की फिल्म है. Karishma did Judwa with him and I did Kambak Tishk. I normally don't come for trials. In fact, Saif told me, I'm quite surprised you're going. I said, I have to go because it's, you, Vishal and Sajid. I think Vishal Bhardwaj की film में, I think the negative character is very striking, most of the time. हालांकि I think that there are 3 stellar actors in this film. Brilliant actors, Kangana, Shahid and Saif. I think all 3 are going to be. I like the competition. There should be competition. With तीनों में competition रहना चाहिए क्योंकि उसी के वजह से then they'll all give their best and I expect nothing less from 3 of. I think they're the best performers in the industry today, all 3. So let's see. I'm very excited. It's going to be an amazing story. It's about 4 women. Normally hero heroine होती है फिल्म में, but I think the first time that it's a story about 4 different women. So I think it'll be quite exciting to do.